Started this account testing Sumari AutoTrarer Robot if it can be able to grow 100 rands account, and it looks like definitely it can. Right now, these are all the trades that are currently running, and these are the instruments that we are trading it on. Currently looking at the 30 euro, which is DEX 30. I just loaded it now, literally about 4 minutes ago, and already it is getting into the money. I'm trading this on a micro account. I'm testing it on XNES. Here's another instrument. It's NZD/USD. The robot opened buy trade literally here. The market is moving nicely up on NZD/USD. Also did load GU, and the robot immediately executed a buy on GU. The market is moving up nicely on GU, and also did the same on GA. And as you can see, robot is trading nicely on GA. It's dropping very nice over there. And also added on Euro AUD, and now it's dropping very nicely. All of these trades that literally executed the impossible. This is literally a 4 touch, if you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4 4 touch. Supposed to buy over here. We sold on a buy level. The same thing over here. It was a breakout trade. All of these trades, powerful setups that the bot has been able to execute. This is the power of the Sumari AutoTrarer Robot. I'm gonna be keeping a close eye on this account. I'm gonna just see, putting a small deposit, whether it's a 250 rands, whether it's a 500 rands, whether it's 1,000 rand or 50 rands. I'm just gonna try and see if this can be able to grow small deposits all the way to the top. This is the Sumari AutoTrarer Robot, and it is trading in full auto trading. As you can see, it's auto trading. It means that all of these trades are being executed in full automation. Do get your hands on the Sumari AutoTrarer Robot and be able to take your trading game to the next level. Let's go get it. This could easily be 620, can easily be 6,200. It all depends on the lot size that you are using and the type of account that you're trading on. How powerful is this? 100% success rate, everything in the money, baby. Woohoo! Bring your clothes, let's go get it.